Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved and how it will move on Monday. See, if you look at this chart, this is a 15 minutes chart which I am showing you. You have to understand something, that the natural gas price is not making so much high movement as well as not so much of downward movement. See, this is the time after 6 p.m. when the CPI data was there. We have seen a huge volatility. Otherwise what we have seen, that it was moving in a zone. Okay, if there is a zone breakout, that is where it goes upside. See, there is a zone breakout, we have seen an upside. A zone breakout happened, then a fall we have seen. In the same way, similarities you can see all these. This is a 15 minutes chart. Okay, but if you go on a day wise chart, you will understand more clearly how it is moving. See, overall trend, as I have already explained you, that it is moving in a zone of $3 and $2. Okay, this you have to understand here is that till the time it is not crossing a level of $3, we will not see upside. Till the time it is not crossing downwards below $2, we will not see further down. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, what we can see, this is the zone where the price of natural gas is for so long. Okay, and a swing is forming at this particular level, and there is a continuous fall we have seen. Okay, so this is the $3 zone, and now the price has moved up above a level of $2.8 to a level of 2.9, but it didn't sustain this particular level, and it is moving in below this particular zone. And you can say this level we have not seen since Jan of $2023. Okay, so once the price move above a level of $3, then only we can see it can go further upside. Okay, or if it is not going below a level of $2, we will not see it will move further down. So after pandemic, there is a pattern forming that I was keep repeating in my every video, that whenever it's going for a new high, a fall has come. Okay, and this fall is from 20, 50 to even 100% what we have seen. Okay, in the natural gas, then a swing form, that is where it goes upside and make a new high, but after making a new high it falls. The third thing is that the gap is still pending. Keep a note of it, and I have keep repeating in my gold movement also. I have keep repeating and make a note of it. I have told you in gold also. Okay, when the price was around 1960, that if the price sustain this level, it can make a new high, and it has already made a half around 2089. That is a big movement you would have captured at that point of time, which I have given on the pit lines. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, probability of not sustaining is on higher side, because we have seen since 4-5 days it is continuously on the downside. So but before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go on Monday, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. See, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, it can move towards its next support of $2.496. Okay, this is a support where we can see at this particular level. Okay, now if you look at this closely, what we have seen, a U pattern is forming. So if it sustain above a level of 2.790, keep that in mind. There is a big upward movement we can see, and it can touch a level of $3 also. But suppose if it moves below this particular support, we can see it can fall further down, and a probability of going towards 2.462 is there, and from there we can see a level of $2.440. Okay, now once the price fall below $2.440, chances of touching 2.376 is there, and if the price fall below that particular level, it can go further down, and chances of going towards a level of 2.270 is there. Okay, now if the price fall below $2.270, chances of falling further low, we can see it can touch a level of around $2.209. Okay, now keep that in mind, that once started falling below this particular level, we can see it can fall further down towards a level of $2.251, and if the price fall below that level, we can see it can go further low, and a probability of touching a level of 2.167 is there. Okay, and once the price fall below that level, we can see it can touch a level of around $2.068. Okay, keep that in mind, that once the price started falling below a level of around $2.175, chance of touching 2.068 is there. Okay, this $2.068 is already being a weak support, so chances are very high that it can move further low and a probability of going towards a level of around 1.926 is there, and if the price fall below that level 1.926 is there, then we can see a level of $1.812. okay, so if the price fall below that level, we can see it can touch a level of $1.5812, and from there we can see it can go further down. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you. Upside to बोलेंगे ना. Okay, but as you know that the market is always uncertain. Okay, the price will not rise sharp upside or down till the time there is no big event is coming or there is not a breakout happening. Okay, how market moves, it halt for some time, that is how it goes upside. In the same way, it will halt for some time, that is how it comes down. Okay, now it is the price of natural gas is moving in a zone. Okay, but suppose if it form a swing at this particular level, what we can see, if it form a swing at this particular level, it can go towards a level of around $2.578. okay, and if the price sustain above that particular level, it can go towards a level of $2.643. keep that in mind, that once it sustain this level, we can see a level of this. Why I'm telling you these are the two resistance. Suppose if you are in a profit at this particular level, okay, and if this level sustain, you can trail your SL and trail your profit, and you can keep this as a sell. Okay. That what is the benefit, that once it moves below this level, a profit can be booked at this particular level. But if it sustain, then probability of going towards this level is there. Okay, and your profit can be made higher, and then you can keep this as an SL. Okay, probability of touching is there, but you have to understand market is always uncertain, so keep trailing your SL so your profit can be saved. Okay, and as well as your capital. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of $2.643, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can cross a level of $2.682, and from there it can cross a level of around $2.729. okay, and these levels are already being tested here, so chances of touching $2.823 is there. If the price sustain above that level, it can cross a level of around $2.83, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $2.939. okay, and once the price sustain above that particular level, chances of touching this particular high we can see, and it can touch a level of $3.053. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above that particular level, we can see it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $3.34. okay, and once the price sustain above $3.34, we can see it can go further high towards a level of $3.461, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $3.58. okay, and once the price sustain above that level, we can see it can go further upside. okay, and if the price move up that level, I'll make another video explaining where it can go, or you can check my monthly video. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel,